Assalamu alaikum and welcome back everyone. My name is Samir Javed and today we'll be learning about how to add a watermark to your document. So this is how your document will look like when you have added your personal watermark to the document. Now watermark adds a personalization to your document. You can add your personal image. You can also add a certain text to your document so it is more personal to you, or you want it to look like a more corporate corporate kind of a document if you're making one for your company. So this is how it's gonna look. So let me just start off with a plain document. This is the same document that we have without a watermark. So in order to add a watermark, we will first go to the design tab over here, click on it, and then we head over to the very right of the page where it's written watermark. So once you click on watermark, you can see there are quite a few predefined types that you can use. If they're similar to what you require, you can use these. However, you can also set your own custom watermark over here. At the very bottom, you can see the custom watermark. So let me just click on this one there, and immediately a small window opens up. By default, no watermark is selected. Since we need to add our own picture watermark, let's select this one. There are a couple of options. One is the picture watermark, second one is the text watermark. So I'll first show you the picture watermark, where I'm going to insert an image as a watermark for the document. I'll go over here to select the file from the local repository. I'll select the image, and you can see over here the path of the image is shown. By default, the scale is set to auto, which will automatically scale your image to the margins that you have set for your pages. Otherwise, you can change it to 500%, 200% as per your need. Let's keep it at 100%. Over here you have washout check mark, which will basically wash out the image. Let me show you without the check mark how it's going to look, and then we'll change it back. I apply it, and immediately you can see the image being shown over here in the watermark. Now I want to show you how it's going to look when I select wash out over here. You can now see that it has been washed out and it's slightly lighter, and it's always a better idea to have it the image lighter, in a lighter tone, so as to avoid the image overimposing the content that you have in the document. This is how it's going to look when you've selected the washed out image. Let me show you another example of it. Let's go back to the watermark, select custom watermark over here. And let's say I want to write something instead of using an image. So I'll select the text watermark. You can select your language, and I write this whatever I want. I select the fonts. I can also select the size, and it's always better to choose a lighter toned color. You can you can choose whether you want the watermark to be diagonal or you want it to be horizontal. You apply it, and there you have it. Similar to what you had in washout in the picture watermark, there's another similar check mark over here which is semi-transparent. So if it shows the text in a washed out kind of format. If you remove this, it is shown in its actual color. So it's always better, as I said earlier, to have it in a lighter tone so that it doesn't superimpose on your content that you have already written. So you can see all of your pages are now shown with this selected watermark that you have chosen. This is it, folks, for today, and I hope I was able to uh, convey how to set a watermark for your documents. If you like this video and it was helpful for you, please click on the like button, and please do select the subscribe as well if you are willing to, willing to be notified about any new updates on the pages, on new videos that I keep posting from time to time. It will always help you. Until our next video, take care and Allah Hafiz.